In this video, I will be showing you how to draw a calcium channel in Adobe Illustrator. All you need are circles and squares. First, you create a circle and make it 120 pixels in diameter so it is easier to divide them later. Put the circles side by side like so. Then you create a smaller circle that is half of the diameter of the big one. In this case, it is 60 pixels. Position the two circles in between the bigger ones. Align the small circles vertically, then duplicate the bigger circles and place them horizontally a quarter diameter away from the original one. Then create a 60 pixel square. And place it perfectly on top of the lower smaller circle. Finally, add a big circle right in the middle of this composition. Now we are ready for the trimming. I have a habit of making a copy before trimming, just in case something might go wrong later. Okay, now select everything, and we can go to Pathfinder tool and click on Divide. This function makes intersected paths into close shapes. Here are the parts that we need, and I will indicate them with a dark blue color. Let's duplicate these shapes, and we use the Rect selection tool to select the anchor points at the corners. You will see a circular handle nearby the corner. And let's drag it all the way in order to round the corner. So apply this to rounding of the three corners. Then select everything and unite them. Use the Rect selection tool again to flatten the curves for 10 pixels. Duplicate the shape, reflect, and use a small circle to measure the distance between these two parts, and that will be 60 pixels. And this pair of the shapes is your calcium channel wall. And now the channel is almost done. All we need is to add the inner part of the channel. To make that, let's grab a big circle and place them behind the walls. Place one more at the bottom part. Then draw two rectangles to create a T-shape. And let's make this shape red. Select the two circles and the T, and then divide. And we trim away the unwanted parts and then put the red parts at the back of the walls. Finally, we will fill them with color and gradient. So lighter color for the walls and radial gradient for the inner parts. I will explain the details about applying colors in the following up tutorials because it's a little bit long to explain all the functions. Well, this is a more complicated structure, so there are many functions involved in the creating process. So if you have any technical questions, welcome to comment below so that I can know what kind of Illustrator crash course I need to make for you guys. If you find my tutorials helpful, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to Joe Biomed for more tutorials for biomedical researchers. And I wish you happy drawing!